Hello everyone, welcome to GP Institute. Today I am going to explain about Unix. You know very well what is operating system, OS. I think you have Windows operating system. Same way, Unix also is an operating system. Okay? Unix also an operating system. In this operating system, there are two types of tools. There are two types of tools in Unix. First one is graphical user interface. Graphical user interface. We can call it as WinSCP. Another one is command line interface. We can call it as PuTTY. Did you understand? In the Unix operating system, there are two types of tools. First one is graphical user interface, WinSCP. Second one is command line interface, that is PuTTY. Now, the question is how to practice those Unix commands without installing Unix in your system. Okay? In your system at present, you have Windows operating system. But if you want to practice Unix commands without installing Unix operating system in your laptop or in your PC, how to do it? For that, open the Google and you have to type, or I am providing the link is Linux Ju. Okay, just copy, paste it on here and type .net. linuxju.net. In this you have to select first one, linuxju.net. Okay, this one, click on it. Now we are at linuxju website, and at the right side you have to click on account links. Okay, just click on it. In here select second option, registration for an account. Select registration for an account. Okay, if you click on registration for an account, this page has opened. Now to proceed to registration, just click here, click on it. Registration page opened. Now you have to provide your Gmail account. This is my Gmail account. Next you have to provide the password. Again provide it. Next you have to provide first name and last name, GP Institute, GP Institute. Next one, matriculation number. No need to provide this matriculation. Next, program info. Click on it and select just interested. Okay, just click on interested. Next, no need to enter any code, just leave it. And finally, accept privacy policy and terms and conditions. Okay, it's very simple. You have to provide Gmail and password, first name, last name, and program info is just interested. Finally, accept terms and conditions and click on register. Click on it. Okay, successfully registration completed. Next, you can see here, click here to continue. Just click on it. Now this is the main page. Okay, the username is root, password is this one, and next step is just click on join queue at right side. Click on it. Next, you have to click on switch on. Okay, click on it, switch on. Now, next step, go to connect. Click on connect. This is the your account information. Okay, did you understand? This is very important, and username, passwords are important on this page. And important thing is this account will expire in 13 days. Okay, after 13 days you have to provide a new Gmail account to create another new account. Okay, did you understand? Now successfully we have created account in Unix server. Okay, we have created the account in Unix server. Next, we have to install these two tools. First one WinSCP and PuTTY. Okay, did you understand? First step, you have to create the account in Unix server. Next, now we have to install these two tools to practice Unix commands. Okay, open new tab and download the PuTTY software. Okay, so that PuTTY for Windows 10. Okay, click on enter. Now this is the first one, www.putty.org. This one you have to select it. In here you have to select first one. Okay, this one. Click on it, download PuTTY, and this 64-bit x86 MSI Windows installer, select first one because my system supports 64-bit. Okay, if your system supports 32-bit, then click on this link. Okay, did you understand? Maximum everyone will have 64-bit, so click on PuTTY 64-bit. Click on it. So it has downloaded. Next, go to PC and downloads. Now you have PuTTY 64-bit. Okay, installer. Double click on it. Click on next. Next. And if you want shortcut on desktop, just click on it and select the first option. Now install the PuTTY. Yes. Finish. Okay, we have successfully installed the PuTTY. If you install it, automatically it gives the readme notes. Okay, just close it. Next, go to search bar here and type PuTTY, PuTTY. You can see on apps PuTTY 64-bit, right? Just click on it and it has opened PuTTY configuration, and it is asking host name. The host name is, go to Unix server. Here you can see SSH. Okay, this one is the host name. linuxju.net. Just copy and paste it on the host name IP address. Okay, that's it. You no need to do anything on this configuration. Now just click on open. Next, click on accept. Yes, we have accepted. This is the PuTTY. It is asking login details. Okay, in this server the username is root and password is secure. Now you have to provide login details. First of all, username, root, and enter, and password is SECURE, secure. It will not display the password, so just type it on it and click on enter. Okay, we have successfully logged in. Now you can practice Unix commands here. For example, if you want to see a simple Unix command, if you want to see, for example, date, and enter, this is the date. Okay, is it working properly? Yes, it is working properly. By the next session onwards, I will explain very important all Unix commands. Okay, now we have successfully installed the one tool, that is PuTTY. Next we have to install WinSCP. Open the Chrome, open the new tab, type it here, download WinSCP for Windows. Okay, first one, winscp.net eng download. Click on WinSCP official site. Scroll down a little bit and you can see download WinSCP. Okay, this one. Click on it. Close the ad. Now it is downloading. Okay, in this page you have to go to the downloads and click on this one, download WinSCP. Okay, did you understand? Now it has downloaded. Okay, click on it. Click on install for all users. Yes. Accept. Click on next. Next. Install. And remove launch WinSCP. Uncheck and uncheck the open getting startup page. Okay, now finish it. So we have successfully installed WinSCP and PuTTY softwares. Okay, this is the WinSCP and this is the PuTTY. Now open the WinSCP